Look at this, boys. Look who is back. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. And as you guys can see by the pretty sure by the title and right here in person in the camera, look who is back, guys. Look at this. Oh my gosh, she is back finally. If you guys are new to the channel, I recently had some problems with it, so my shift force completely broke. So my third and fourth was just literally just gone. In the videos prior, like I explained that what it was, and the car was actually down for a week. But now, guys, she is back, and I am super excited and super happy to have her back. And like I said, the last video that I uploaded, I said that I was just gonna lightly go through the gears, make sure everything was working fine when I picked it up. If you guys didn't watch that, make sure to watch that video of me picking up my fixed 2018 Mustang GT. This is a 6-speed. That's why I say like the third and fourth gear was just like completely gone, because that's mostly what they're known for. But anyways, guys, now we have her back. I am super excited. I already took her to a car meet last weekend during the week, so a lot of people were super happy to see it back. Everybody, they just love the car too. They love the color, they love everything about it too, as much as I do. So I'm super excited, guys. And like I said in the prior video, I said that I was gonna make another separate video of me actually getting on the car a little harder than I was that day that I picked it up. So today I'm actually gonna be stepping on it a little more, nothing too crazy, but still getting it a little harder than I was last time. I've been having it for the weekend, and I've kind of been stepping on it a little. No slapping gears yet, not yet. Kind of don't want to do that just yet, guys. But I have been stepping on it a little bit, and everything feels honestly pretty damn good. And actually, the guy who fixed my car up actually found out the channel, and he actually DM'd me on Instagram. He found me on Instagram. I will actually pop up his Instagram right here. Shout out to him, dude. Super chill guy. If you guys have any problems with your guys' cars, make sure to hit him up. He knows his stuff, guys. He actually fixed this beautiful car right here. So you guys, like I said, I will have his stuff right here, probably pop it up somewhere, and give him a follow. You know, let him know if you guys have any questions. If you guys are in the California NorCal area, just hit him up. I'm pretty sure he could fix literally almost anything in a Mustang. So yeah, but today, as you guys can see by the topic of the video, we are actually gonna be driving the car. My good actual impressions of it. Like I said, I have been having it for the weekend, so kind of already been feeling it good, and it feels really good. But I wanted to bring you guys along too, so yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna get you guys on the head mount, get you guys a good little view right there of me going through the gears. And actually, guys, stay tuned, because a lot of stuff is going down this weekend, which I will explain at the end of the video. But other than that, let's get a little, I can't say cold start because I've been driving it today to the gym and stuff, so maybe a little warm start. So yeah, let's go. Had to get a little rep for you guys so you guys can actually hear it. She sounds super good. Everybody honestly likes the tone of this car. I personally love it. But like I said, let's get started with this video. Wanted to get a little warm start for you guys, because I know you guys missed that. And yeah, so let's go. All right, boys, let's see if we got you guys set up good right there. We're gonna start with the video. Third gear right there, boys. Woo. Fourth. Man, she sounds so good. Beautiful weather right now too, guys. It's about like 7:30, just the right time to make a perfect video right now. It's so fresh right now in Cali. This is the vibes. Going through the gears, making a little video for you guys. This is it. A little downshift. Woo. And those Brimbos biting. Nice, nice. So I've kind of already have a little feel for it, but I haven't really got on it too hard. Don't plan to either today, just a little something extra than like what I've been doing. So not babying it too much, but not banging gears either. So yeah, so that's what the whole point of this video. Take you guys out, make a cool little video. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see it on the GoPro, but see if I can. Little golden bridge right there. Hopefully you guys can see it. For all my people from Sacramento, California. Oof. This is the way. Man, boys. Boys, somehow we ended up in Mexico. Don't know how, but we did. So just get on it a little bit. Damn, guys. Out here in Mexico really makes me want to just slam those gears and bang them like how I did before, but it's just temptations, guys. Gotta break it in slowly, but don't worry, I will be banging them gears soon, but just not right now. Not the smartest thing to do, you know, kind of trying to play it pretty smart. So yeah, that's why we are not. She sounds good though, so that's what matters. But yeah, like I said, really wanted to bang gears, but it's just not right now, guys. But don't worry, we will. It's good. But yeah, boys, I mean, as you guys can see, everything is working pretty damn good. It feels great. It feels great. I don't even yeah, it just feels really good. I hope I'm getting a good view for you guys. I don't know, I didn't even, because I usually always check when I put my GoPro on and from my phone, but I didn't even check this time. So kind of just hoping that I'm getting a good little point of view right here for you guys. So fingers crossed I am. And if not, sorry boys, I am so sorry. Up. Lights, boys, and that feels good. Ooh. Oh my god. too loud right now in Midtown. Too quiet out here, and this car's a little too loud. I'm gonna get some attention. Oof. All right, boys, made it. Let's go see. We made it to the little spot. Don't mind my hair. Had the POV cam for you guys, that's why it's all messed up, but here she is, boys. Found this little spot. I used to come to this little spot before in my old car, just chill right here, take some pictures. But yeah, like I said, didn't plan on making this video too long. Hopefully it's not that long, but I just wanted to get you guys updated and, you know, see how the car's doing. The car, guys, is literally, it's so smooth. It's just so crisp. It's like when I just got it. Like, I love it. It's just, the guy did such an amazing work. And like I said at the beginning, make sure you guys go give him a follow if you guys got any problems with your guys' Mustangs, anything. He knows this stuff, guys. He fixed this, so I'm pretty sure he can fix your guys's. But yeah, came to do the outro right here, and the car seems super healthy, guys. The car is just super healthy. I've been having so much fun. Like I said, I've been having it for the weekend, so I kind of been already driving it, getting a little feel for it, and literally feels amazing. Feels amazing. Feels the same as it did before. So I'm super happy for that. But yeah, guys, like I said also at the beginning of the video, if you guys paid attention, I did say that this week there's going to be something pretty cool going on. So you guys make sure you guys stay tuned for that. There's going to be a, so this is 4th of July week, so there's going to be a huge meet the day before, so on the 3rd. Guys, I'm going to be vlogging out there. I'm going to try to get that good footage for you guys, you know, make sure it comes out pretty cool. So stay tuned. That's what I meant by at the end of this weekend, you know, it's going to be something cool. So yeah, that's what's going to happen. But you guys are super excited for the car being back on the channel. Like I said on my previous video, racing might take another little 2 weeks, week and a half maybe, just because I don't really want to go through the whole braking part again so soon. But trust me, guys, this is only the beginning. There's going to be so many cool races planned out. I've been contacting people, and let's just say that this car is going to have some challenges going on, and then new power mods coming too. So guys, stay tuned. Don't worry, the racing content will be back up, and it will be even better. So yeah, if you guys are still watching this, make sure to drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, comment what you guys think. Are you guys happy to have the build back and everything? So yeah, like I said, drop a fat like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Peace.